Hey guys, what's going on? This morning I wanted to give you an update on Infinity Algo, which is rapidly becoming one of my favorite TradingView algo indicators of all time. And part of that is it's only $99 for lifetime, which honestly, some of these things you'd pay that per month. So really good deal. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. It'll take you to this page and you can see what you get all for $99.99. So definitely worth checking out. We're going to go through SPX and how it performs on the SPX in a few minutes. I just wanted to give a shout out to Nate Bear, who turned 37,000 into $2.7 million over the course of a few years. I really love Profit Surge Trader. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to join up. This page right here. It's only $179 for a year, and you get a 365-day money-back guarantee right here. No questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. It is phenomenal. It's 1 to 3 picks every Monday. He does a live stream at noon Eastern time, and their swing trades, usually call options, and it's just a phenomenal service. He's on such a winning streak again. I thought I had to bring it up and let you guys know about it. And if there's one service that I really recommend at the moment where you're just swing trading call options, I would really recommend Profit Surge Trader, or it's also known as one ticker payouts, because there's one main ticker every Monday, but there's always bonus trades on top of that, so it's really good value. I really like it. I think it's taught by a guy who is really genuine and really helpful. Inside his Monday morning or Monday noon webinars, he answers everybody's questions. So you can just sit there in the chat box and he goes through strategies, and there's a full plan for an entry, an exit, a stop loss, profit taking, all that. Really good. Anyway, definitely check that out. The link is in the description below and you get started on this. So a lot of people like trading SPX. I think it's a nice simple way to trade. You can do SPY or SPX. And this is what Infinity Algo looks like on the daily chart on SPX. So this is obviously a really long time frame, but you can see it works really well. Smart buy and it goes up, normal sell goes down, smart buy goes up. Looks really good. However, as you guys know, it's actually quite hard to get a full feel for if this is overall profitable, right? So what we're going to do today is look at the back testing for the daily chart, but also the shorter time frames for you guys that are looking to scalp in and out of SPX. For example, you might want signals that you could do a Ninja Trader for the futures, but using these signals on Infinity Algo on the shorter time frames. So maybe you're not interested in the daily, but hang in there, we'll get to the shorter time frames in a few minutes. So in order to see the backtesting, it's really cool because you get it included with Infinity Algo. So we go down here, you see Infinity Algo and Infinity Algo backtest. So all I have to do is activate the backtest. You can see it marks up where the signals actually are. They're the same signals, but there's also profit targets and stop losses. They're all triggered in here, which is what you get with the active signals. Now look at this. This is the profit loss chart on SPX. Total of 641 closed trades. 83.46 profitability with a 1.7 profit factor, which means we're above 1, we're profitable with this. And it's pretty obvious we're profitable from this uptrending, steep uptrending graph. So if you were to swing trade this system on the daily, you would definitely be profitable and you'd be very happy with the results. That's the daily chart. What happens if we go and start looking at the shorter time frames? Well, some people like to do like the 5-minute chart. I know I do. So we go to the 5-minute chart right here. Here's the 5-minute chart. You can even see that sometimes it tells you there's a short coming before it actually happens. Looks a bit weird here, but you can see it starting to mark in real time that there might be a short signal possibly coming soon. So that's a nice feature of Infinity Algo in the shorter time frames. Now I've said it twice now, so it could well be a short coming. Maybe by the end of this video it'll have triggered a short, maybe not, let's see. Anyway, I wanted to show you the back tests for this. So you can see some of the signals, but it's very hard again to tell whether they're profitable or not just by eyeballing it. Clearly there's some really nice profitable signals, like this one here, smart buy, take profit 1, it's right there. And then we switch to sell up here. So looking at it, it looks half decent, maybe a little bit more choppy. That's what you'd expect on the shorter time frames. But if we look at the back testing, try and get this to actually show it, performance summary. You can go and look at the different trades and everything, but really what we're interested in at the moment is the overview. Try and get this to enlarge. There we go. So you can see the profitability is still positive. The profit factor is 1.3, but the percentage that you'll win is about half. You can still have a winning strategy if you win about half of your trades, so you just have to make sure you let the winners run and cut the losers fairly short. Then you end up with the positive trades, overall net positive on the 5 minute. So this would work for day trading, but it's going to take a little bit more discipline because you're not talking 80% of your trades, you're talking 47% of your trades are profitable in this. So this is still totally doable, but you need to have more of a disciplined mindset in order to trade these properly. So yeah, that's the 5 minute chart. Still no short firing here. It says it's possibly coming. Let's look at the 3 minute chart and see what it looks like. So we're already on a smart sell here, and you can see it's working out pretty well so far on the 3 minute chart. Let's look at the back testing on the 3 minute chart as well. So just open this up. 3 minute chart looks a bit nicer. We still have a positive uptrend, 1.37 profit factor, so still a profitable trading strategy, and 52% profitability. So you'll be losing half your trades, but as long as you can cope with that, you'll still be a profitable trader with this. Now remember, you can improve upon these by adding your own extra confluence in there as well. So maybe use moving averages, maybe use something else, maybe use support and resistance. You can improve upon these signals because really they shouldn't just be used alone. They're a good starting point, but you want to add other filtering factors in there. And I want to point out here, I'm just using Infinity Algo on default here. I'm really changing nothing in the settings. So you can go in and change the sensitivity, which will change your back testing. You can change it to different, toggle same signal consecutively. All these things can change the back testing for the better or for the worse. So you can go through and change some of the settings here and see how that affects your back testing. Overall, I think this is a phenomenal system, especially on SPX and SPY. You can definitely use it to help you make some money here. We go back to the 5 minute chart here just before I finish up. This doesn't look like it's firing a short just yet, but anyway, it's interesting because it kind of gives you a head up, but who knows? We'll see what happens. Alright, hopefully that's helpful. I highly recommend checking out the links in the description below, where you can get Infinity Algo for $99 for lifetime, and also check out Profit Surge Trader by NetBear. I don't think you'll regret it. So have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.